Hello and thank you for using the SAR. This video will cover in detail how to enter courses into your SAR using the Quick Start course entry option. If you have additional questions after watching this video, please email support@scarletcs.com or visit scarletcs.com/support to view FAQ, other videos, or to submit a question to customer support. If you are logged into your SAR or SSAR account, you can conveniently search for Support Center articles using the Support widget or contact us through the Help tab. Before we begin learning how to use the Quick Start course entry option, some of you may be wondering what the Quick Start course entry option is. The Quick Start course entry option is a way of entering the main courses you took, such as English, Math, Science, History, and World Language, into the SAR. This option is helpful for saving some time since most of the generic course titles will already be selected for you. You'll also have the chance to set the course length and to indicate if you've received full year, semester, trimester, or quarter grades. Because of this, you'll only have to change the course length if one of your courses isn't graded the same way as the others. Finally, please note that the Quick Start course entry option will only be available if you have not yet entered any coursework for the school. To start using the Quick Start course entry option, begin by clicking the Enter Coursework tab, scrolling down to the Quick Start course entry section, and clicking the green Edit button. If you need to leave the Quick Start course entry pop-up window at any time, you can click the Close Window button at the top or bottom of the page. Before you start entering coursework, please check the name of the high school. If you need to switch to another high school you attended, you can always exit out of the Quick Start course entry window and switch the high school in the Enter Coursework tab. However, if you want to exit out of the Quick Start course entry window but have newly entered coursework that you want to save, make sure you click Save Courses before exiting out. Otherwise, all of your progress will be lost. Lastly, before you start, select the option from the drop-down menu that best describes how your courses are graded at the school, such as if you receive one full year grade or semester, trimester, or quarter grades. From here, scroll down to begin entering coursework. The first subject area is English. You can see that the generic course titles are already selected, so you can start by entering the exact course titles for the English courses on your transcript. So I'll say my English 9 course was actually called English 9 Honors on my transcript and type that in. If necessary, you can deselect any of the courses that you didn't take. You can also change the grade the class was taken in, but I'm going to keep mine the same since it's accurate. Now you can select the level of your course, such as if it was standard, honors, AP, IB, dual enrollment, etc. My course was an honors course, so even though my course title already says honors, I'm going to select honors from the drop-down menu. Finally, select the grade or grades you received for the course. Note that at the top of the drop-down menu, you can find an In Progress option, and at the bottom, there are also options such as withdrawn, pass, fail, incomplete, etc. If the grading scale is not correct, such as if your transcript uses letter grades but you can only enter a number grade, exit out of the Quick Start course entry and go to the Enter High Schools/Colleges tab. From there, you can change the grade scale of any high school you attended. Now I'm going to repeat this process for my other English courses and then move on to math. Alright, so now we're in the math subject area. First, I noticed that there are some courses on here that I did take that aren't selected, so I'm going to select calculus in addition to the other courses. I also noticed that some of these courses are ones I took in middle school rather than in high school, such as Algebra 1. So after I enter the course name as it appears on my transcript, I'm going to select middle school for when the course was taken, and then continue entering my other courses as usual. After you finish entering your core coursework, you can click Save Courses and then Close Window. You'll see that you're now in the Enter Coursework tab and the courses you have entered are visible at the bottom of the screen. You can finish entering all of your additional coursework by scrolling to the Enter Coursework section and adding courses by academic year or by subject area, which is your only option if you are on the SSAR. For more information on how to enter coursework by academic year or subject area, click the linked videos in the upper right corner or the links in the video description. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and good luck with your applications.